Well, let's start from day one. This is a small diagram of SAP R3 architecture.
Okay.
Okay, so similarly like a computer, SAP also has a three-layer structure. One is a input and output called the presentation layer.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, then second is the application layer, and third is the database layer or the storage unit.
Okay.
Like a computer have a monitor and keyboard for input output, CPU for as an application layer which process all the input that we give and give us the output. Database layer like at the hard disk where all the information is stored. Similar.
Correct.
Okay.
That's like a basic application. मतलब
You mean
जो भी हम जितने भी application देखते हैं.
yeah, exactly. Means whatever action we perform in SAP will go through application layer.
हाँ.
Okay, and then it fetches that data from database and then give present back to us.
Okay.
Okay. Also, in between, if you have any question, feel free to ask. Okay.
Sure.
So similarly, here some information given. Presentation layer, also known as a client layer, this layer provides input and output for the user to manipulate the system. Means similarly, provide gives the input what action we need, and it will give us the output. Okay.
Okay.
It provides us a graphical interface, and
Okay.
yeah. Alright. Like examples are given like desktop, mobile devices, mobile display. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Then comes the application layer, also known as the
Okay.
kernel layer. Well, we don't need to know that much. And in fact, okay, this is just for knowledge. Application layer, database layer. This information is just for knowledge from basic.
Okay.
Okay. So application layer executes business logic.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So its application servers include a specialized system with multiple CPUs and a vast amount of RAM.
Okay.
Okay. Uh, SAP application programs are executed in application layer, and it serves as the communication between presentation database. Means it's just basic information. All the work that a CPU does, application layer does for SAP.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Then comes the database layer. Similarly, like storage unit. Okay.
Yeah.
And some examples are Oracle.
Data store.
Yes.
मतलब कि जहाँ पे जैसे डेटा मतलब जितना मैं समझ पाई लेट्स से कि कोई भी एक वेबसाइट है जिसमें लॉगिन पेज है तो जो
Yeah.
लॉगिन पेज में अपने को यूजर आईडी पासवर्ड दिख रहा है वो अपना प्रेजेंटेशन लेयर हो गया फिर उस पर अपन ने डेटा डाला और साइन अप किया तो साइन इन की जो फंक्शनलिटी हुई वो एप्लीकेशन लेयर का पार्ट हुई एंड अगर वो यूजर और पासवर्ड हमारे डेटाबेस में एग्जिस्ट करता है तो हमारी एप्लीकेशन लेयर उसको नेक्स्ट पेज पे ले जाएगी राइट
Exactly. That's the exact working of SAP as well.
ओके
Okay. So this is just basic information, and some database that SAP mostly use was Oracle. Actually, is Oracle. Then Microsoft SQL Server, and these all are there, but Oracle was widely used. Okay.
Okay.
Nowadays,
And do SAP security interact with database also?
no, database is just for fetching information and storing information.
Okay.
The changes that we made, nothing else. Okay. That work is for basis team or adapt team.
Okay.
Okay, mostly basis team does that work. They work on SQL. Give me a second.
Okay.
On this application layer means the way you have said working of login system in any organization. Okay, so well the most widely used database is Oracle. Okay,
Okay.
but nowadays, SAP have launched their own database because
Okay.
fetching database from other software was a
Mm-hmm.
was unfeasible, or it used to take too much time. Because
Okay.
okay, like they were using IBM database or Microsoft or Oracle, any software. It is a third party software. It is a third party database. So SAP have launched its own database and combined application layer and database layer into one.
Okay.
This is the trend nowadays. You must, if you
Mm-hmm.
have heard about SAP, you must have heard about S4 HANA, HANA software.
Yes, I have.
Yeah,
Yes.
HANA is a database developed by SAP itself. Okay, to
Okay.
and since it is of SAP itself, it is embedded into the software itself. So it was fast. Give me a second. Yeah. All right.
Okay.
Yeah. Module. So okay. So SAP have used their own. So now it is. You must have had HANA database, and working on HANA database is S4 HANA. Okay.
Yes.
When SAP is SAP is combined with HANA database. Otherwise, the architecture that I have shared with you, this is for
Mm-hmm.
ECC. Okay, and that training will be done on ECC system only.
Okay.
All right. So this image shows different modules like HR, plant procurement, and material management, quality. Okay, all these finance and accounting.
Mm-hmm.
Understood. And SAP manages all that.
Okay.
Okay. What happened? Yeah. Have you been given access to the demo server?
No, not right now.
All right. Okay. See, in the group after this session, I will add the video, add the video recording
Okay.
on a Google link, and we'll share it with you. The link with you. Okay.
Okay. Sure.
Okay. So I have the demo system. So let me open it to show you the basic screen, because it is
Okay.
an old screen now that was in
Mm-hmm.
the page. See, this is the SAP logo icon. We have clicked on it. Then here we will see multiple systems, whatever we have been granted by the organization.
Okay.
Okay, there could be more.
Okay.
So we will log into ECC system. So this is the home screen.
Okay.
So as per the home screen, standard toolbar, menu bar. Okay, let me show you. See, this is the command bar. Okay,
Okay.
here we enter like whatever transaction we have to run, or
Okay.
whatever program we have to run. We will write down its
Mm-hmm.
code or name, like means code actually. You may say code SU01. This is used for user creation.
Okay.
If we click on it, see we are on the SU01 screen.
Okay.
So we will enter all the T codes or transactions here. This is the standard toolbar. You
Okay.
can see here we have logout button and all. Okay, this is some favorite. It shows us all the means authorizations or privileges that we have, and we can uh, choose here as well. Okay,
Okay.
mean these all authorization are added to my account.
Mm-hmm.
Either we can scroll it down or we can simply click on it.
Okay.
Okay. So that's okay. Let's come on. Don't need this. Okay, we don't. We don't. All right. Let's come to the very first SU01. No, sorry, SU01. I'm saying transaction codes. Okay.
Okay.
Now, a transaction is a transaction code or T code. In short, is used to run any program. Okay, any
Mm-hmm.
action that we have to do, we use T codes to do it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, transaction codes
Okay.
are used in SAP for getting an access to custom applications or to call predefined process. Okay,
Okay.
okay. Means whatever action we have to do, like if we have to create an account, we will use SE01. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
if we have to check the tables, we will use SE16. And similarly, all these all the information will be provided here. We just have
Okay.
to remember the T codes, and
Okay.
and like you said that it is not related to coding. Okay, so it is exactly correct.
Mm-hmm.
You are right that we have do not have to code anything here, but yeah, we
Mm-hmm.
do need to remember all the T codes, transaction codes.
Okay.
Most of the
Is
T
there
codes.
any PDF file for all these T codes, or how do we remember
No,
this?
see, I will like here I've shared. I will keep on sharing T codes with you, and I will share
Okay.
all the files and everything. Okay.
Okay.
See, there are multiple T codes, means numerous T codes. No one can, means categorize, make a table easily, so easily like that. So, and that's why
Okay.
the tables that we use in daily life or we actually here for interviews. I will share those
Mm-hmm.
tables, which are the most widely used.
Okay.
Okay. Now,
Okay.
it here we only also remember we need to remember some of the T-codes that we work on daily basis, like SU01, PFCG, SU24. These are some T-codes that we use in daily life. Other T-codes we can check. There will be a glossary given in SAP as well. There is a glossary given under help. Okay, help.
Mm-hmm.
This is
Okay.
glossary. Uh, okay, so it's a demo system, though, so therefore no value is given. But if it's any organization, there will be a glossary given where you can check the T codes
Okay.
and use them as well.
Okay.
All right. So here are some important transaction codes given. They are the most commonly used.
Okay.
Number one, SU01. We will be using SU01 very often during the training as well.
Okay.
Okay, if you want, you can just write down SU01, SE16, these T codes.
Okay. Will you share this document with me or not?
Yeah, I will be sharing the document with you, but once we have completed SAP security.
Okay.
Okay, in the meantime, I would like you to make your own notes. And if you have any doubt, if you are missing anything, do ask.
Okay.
Okay, because see, I will guide you, but okay, I'm here to guide you, not to, spoon feed.
Right.
So
Right. I
I will share.
understand.
Okay, so that's why I would like you to make your own notes. Once SAP security is completed, we will move to a SAP GRC, and then I will share this document so that you can check with your own document and correlate everything and correct whatever addition and deletion you need to make. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm preparing my notes
Please.
also. But I'm preparing my notes also, so I'm just asking if I missed out something for that also.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. See, if you have any questions, I'm here to help you. I'm available on WhatsApp as well. Yeah, it's just that during if I'm in office, I will be, not exact at the right moment, but after an hour or 30 minutes, I will reply you back for the questions. So
Sure,
you may ping me
sure,
wherever you have doubt if you are studying it at home. Okay,
sure.
all right. So let me give you some example. SU01 is used for account creation and modification.
Okay,
Okay. Like I use, we will come to that later on. Then SC16 to access the table.
okay,
Okay. See, in SAP, all the information is stored in the form of tables only,
okay.
and everyone have a limited authorization to check the tables. So but we have almost all, so we can check those tables using SC16.
Okay,
Okay, SC16 and is again to check the table, but only to display. Do not, we cannot make any change.
okay.
We cannot make any changes here because we will be restricted, but still there are the difference between both of them.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we'll tell you later on. So SC16, they both are for table access. Then SU10 is for multiple user creation. Okay. Suppose
Okay.
you have to create account for 100 people or 10 20 people.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So using this T code SU10, we can create account of those multiple users. Instead of using SU01, we use SU10.
Okay.
Okay. Then
Okay.
SUIM. SUIM. It is used for user information system. As it says, user information means if we need any information from the system, like if you
Okay.
have to find a T code, if you have to find a user, if you have to find a role or auth object, anything, we will be using SUIM to search.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
SC21 uh, is T code for author. Well, we do not use SC21 very often. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
then yeah, SC24. This is very important T code.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, it means uh, like if we are installing SAP software, okay,
Mm-hmm.
so all the information like T code and authorization object for
Mm-hmm.
SAP, because in SAP security we will work on T codes and authorization object only.
Okay.
Okay, so they are stored in SC22 T code called SC22.
Okay.
Okay, it is provided to us by SAP, and to use in our daily life, we copy the data to SU24. I know it could be a bit confusing, but okay, I will let's say SAP have provided us standard information
Mm-hmm.
to work with. We have been provided with a standard information. Standard programs are already installed within the system, but they have
Okay.
also given us the authority to modify it.
Okay.
Okay. But uh, in order to make sure that we are not messing or we are
Mm-hmm.
not doing anything wrong, okay,
Okay.
we keep the standard values separate, and we create a copy of the standard values, and whatever changes that we have to make, we make in that copied values. Okay,
Sorry, I didn't. So can you explain again?
Monica,
Yes.
are you able to understand this much?
ये SU24 में समझ आया कि हमारे पास में कुछ स्टैंडर्ड एसएपी के गिवन कुछ प्रोग्राम्स हैं इनको अपन एडिट नहीं कर सकते, इसके आगे समझ नहीं पाएंगे।
Monica?
यस, am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible. So,
तो
do
मैं
you
बोल
have
रही
any,
थी
are you able to understand SC24 till now?
नहीं, अभी समझ नहीं आया मेरे को, आप एक बार फिर से समझा सकते? हाँ, लोड हो रहा है। हाँ,
Okay. Let's say this rectangle
ओके,
SU22. Okay.
ओके,
Now this is SAP project information, but as per client needs. Okay, like suppose our client needs some additional T codes, additional changes.
ओके,
Okay, now if so we need to make sure that the we have to make those changes because client needs it. Okay, or organization needs it to work. So okay, so to make sure that this uh, all right. Okay.
ओके,
Is this clear?
या
So, yeah. See, SAP we have been provided some standard information. Okay.
ओके,
So we copy that standard information into SC24.
ओके,
Okay. And whatever changes we have to make, we make to that copy data, SC24 data.
ओके,
Okay. And we do not touch SC22.
ओके, मतलब जो एग्जिस्टिंग था हमने उसमें चेंज नहीं किए, बट उसका सिमिलर रेप्लिका हमने बनाया और उसके अंदर जो जो मॉडिफिकेशन चाहिए थे वो हमने कर दिए।
या एग्जैक्टली जो चेंजेस हम लोग करने थे वो हमने SC24 में कर दिए, लेकिन SC22 का ये
ओके,
डेटा था जो एससीपी ने डेटा हमको प्रोवाइड किया था वो हमने एज इट इज रखा।
ओके,
इसमें हम दिल खोल के एज पर क्लाइंट नीड्स वी कैन डू चेंजेस। या ऑलराइट, so let's we will continue for another lecture 7 minutes only. Okay.
ओके,
Yeah, alright. So SC24 is used uh, to use the data provided by the client and modify it.
ओके,
All right. So that's SC24, and I will explain about it once we go to SAP upgrade part. I will tell you more information about it. Okay.
ओके,
All right. So similarly now here A1 T code, SC38 and SC38. These both T codes are used by ABAP team.
ओके,
Okay. Then comes the most important, one of the most important for us,
ओके,
Pfcg, profile generator and role creation. Okay. I will tell you about it later on. It has a separate, class. Then ST01, ST Orchid, SC53, and SC56.
Okay.
Okay.
Role creation and profile generator. Okay. Role creation is like somebody have admin role, somebody have like different manager
No,
role
no.
or
See,
this.
in SAP, all the access is provided. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
In SAP, we provide all the access uh, through roles. Add roles to
Yeah.
a user's account. Okay. Let's say, mm, no, not this. Sorry, don't say. What am I doing? Um, okay, a role consists of all Tcodes and authorization objects.
Okay.
Okay. Now, Tcodes are action. What action we need to we will perform, and auth object are called permission. Okay. Now, authorization
Mm-hmm.
object tells us that does the person have permission to use this T code, okay, or not.
Okay.
Okay, and T codes tells us the action, provides the information about action. On both of these inform, like we want to use user maintenance or profile generator, it will tell us. It will tell the system that we are you trying to access this. Okay, they
Okay.
both are stored in roles, and once we add a role to a user, okay,
Okay.
we add role to a user's account, and then only a user can access any T code. Like suppose I have created your account, Monica.
Okay.
Okay, I have added SU01. Means you will be able to use user maintenance.
Okay.
But I have not added IC16 to your account to that role.
Okay.
Okay, so to that role. So you won't be able to access any other T code other than SU01 as of now. Okay, until we create a new role to give you more access, okay,
Mm-hmm.
or modify it. And what is
Okay.
profile? I will tell you once we are on Pfcg.
Okay.
Then here are 40 codes: ST01, ST of trace, SC53, and SC56.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, these 40 codes are important for troubleshooting in Sap Security.
Okay.
Okay, if you want, you can just write down the. I would like you to just write down the T code, and search about it yourself.
Oh,
Okay,
yeah.
okay. Do you need time to write down all these T codes?
Yeah, I have write down.
Ah, oh, great. Okay. So tomorrow we will start from SE01 user maintenance.
Okay.
Okay. If you
Okay.
have any questions, I know this is like you said from zero, so this is basic,
Yeah.
and okay, this is the as basic as it can get, and after this you will be able to tell that tell more. Once we move forward for I think 5 sessions, you will be able to tell easily that what I'm talking about.
Oh, yeah.
All right.